we were discussing question number 1431, lead code problem, kids with the greatest number of candies. So as we saw in the last videos, the approach that we can follow is just to come add the extra candies to the ith element of the array and see if it is greater than the max. So this was the approach that we finalized. Find maximum in the given array, add the extra candies in the ith element and check if it is greater than max. If it is greater than max, we are returning true, else we are returning false. So let's begin to code. So in this we have to first find the maximum of the array. So in order to do that, I will use an helper array int input, which we will sort and take the input from, take the maximum from, sorry, new int candies dot length. Now this we have created an input array. Now initialize the variable. So what we have done is basically assigned all the element of the candies array to the input array. Then let's sort it. Once we have now sorted it, so maximum element will be the last element of the sorted array. So int max will be equal to the last element of the sorted array. Yes, minus 1. So this will give us the maximum. So once we have the maximum, for then we can start comparison. Candies dot length I plus plus if now if candies ith element plus the extra candy, because this is what the extra candies is which we are giving to the child, so it's greater than equal to max, we will add it in the result set. So else we will add false. So if the element is greater than the max, then we will add into the result set. So what is our result? Result is actually, as given in the question, we have to return the list of boolean. So we will create a array list of boolean result is equal to new. So we have created a result and then we will be returning it. Return result. We have to return here. Okay, let's run the code and see if we are missing some things. Okay, the solution is accepted, so let's submit it. So yeah, this is the solution which we can take. So basically remember the approach: find the maximum, add the extra candies in the ith element and check if it is greater. If it is greater, then add it in the result as true and else return false. Thank you.